welcome back to Didi's African Kitchen. Thanks for joining me again today. I know it's been forever. I mean, I haven't been on this plan forever, and as you can see, there's a big elephant in the room. I can't hide this one and say anything else. Basically, yeah, I'm pregnant, so I've been away. Today it's a time of plenty. It's autumn in England, and the garden is just yielding with things. This is plums, these tiny plums. I've got a tree of in my garden. I've got an apple tree, and at the minute it's just plenty fruit in the garden. So not wanting it to go to waste. I mean, you know me, I do not let anything go to waste. So I've decided to pick them, and on my day off, make a plum jam, plum chutney, and apple chutney. And I thought, why not film it and let you guys see how to make this if you've got plenty fruit in your garden as well. So today I've decided to make a plum jam, and this is the ingredients you need. Just plums itself, picked and chopped, 2 kilos of that, a bit of cinnamon, and lime juice to put the pectin in there, and sugar, of course. So I'm gonna get on to try and de-stone all these things, and then I will show you how I get on. We'll cook it and then we'll bottle it and everything. I haven't got any other way to de-stone these things, so this is my way of doing it by hand. I go along the line like that, and then I cut them. That is it. Okay, so there he is putting 2 cups of water in it. What a helper he is today. He's becoming more interested in cooking. I don't know. Now, do I want a doctor out of this boy, or do I want a cook out of him? I think I'll have both. I want both now, isn't it, Griffiths? Mm. A firefighter stroke, cook stroke, a doctor, or is he a vet?
Vet? No, I don't want to be.
No, you don't want to be a vet. A doctor would do to make mommy happy. Yeah.
Ready?
Okay, so here it is going on the fire. We will say about 2 kilos of plums with 2 cups of water in there. You don't want too much water in there. So that is it. We're going to cook it until it softens up. So we just put the lid on this. Yeah. This is the plums after they've been boiling for about 10 minutes with just 2 cups of water. So you see, you do not want to put that much water in it at all. If it's jam you're going to use it for. Yes, you can add the sugar. Sugar is going in now, and then this is 2 kilos of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. I mean, the cinnamon is to your taste, really. It's how much cinnamon you like and things like that. Mm-hmm. Oh, you forgot the other kilo of the sugar. Oh. Yeah. Well done. Now stir. And then on this side, I've just zested the 2 limes and gonna juice it. And that will be the last things to go in. After the 6 minutes, we just put the zest and the lime juice in, which will put the pectin in it and then help it set properly. So we want to see how good the pectin we put in it, the lime juice we put in it has helped it or will help it to set. And so we're going to pop this in the fridge. Well, where we got to was putting some in the fridge. But when we put some in the fridge, I realized it wasn't done because it wasn't setting. So we went right ahead and put it back on the fire and reduced it a bit more. That means now it's quite, thicker a mixture. And now even when you leave the spoon to sit there, just 5 minutes or so, then it just sets on the spoon, which means now it's ready. So our bottles too are ready. We've sterilized them and everything. We've gone ahead and made our own little funnel. You know, if you've got the real thing, it's the best. We've cut a milk bottle and made one out of it. So we're just gonna fill them. And with this, you don't want to overdo the filling, just to the enough. That's a bit of a messy way. Some on the side. So after that, we're gonna pop them in a hot water bath for about 10 minutes to make sure that they are nice and sealed to stay for longer. Yeah. So jams are done and bottled. As you can see, I had eyes for just 10 of these, but we managed to get a tiny bottle, so that will be our first one to tackle. These are great. Once we've put some stickers and whatnot on, you can give these out as Christmas presents and whatnot. Put them in little baskets with other things for family and friends. And but if not that, keep them in your pantry and just use them over the year. You've made good use of your plums and whatnot. So today we've made plum jam. Thanks for watching us. Thank you. Bye.